you are going to serve?
The designs are there and they've been submitted.
We need serious funding where the funding are purely GOK. We are not expecting any donor money here. This is purely GOK, and therefore commitment for funds are inevitable. And we hope that in fact now that the cycle for budget is almost over, we requested for this funding, but somehow we have not seen any indication on that particular promise that actually the funding will be provided as requested by the special economic zone.
So in terms of employment, we look at this particular site as being one of those sites that can really help us. Here, Dongokundu in Mombasa and Lamu in Mombasa. And we will visit all those sites because we've just come from a budget policy statement. And in the budget policy statement, we are looking to allocate money to these particular facilities. But we would like that money that is allocated, now that we are oversight, to be properly utilized to be able to achieve what it is that the country needs to achieve in terms of employment.
The availability of this terminal and SGR is a wonderful thing that is in place. And the water we've seen is really coming up very well, and they are giving us up to 30th of this month. The power also is, the substation there is coming very well. I think by July, really people should be able to use it. So there is quite some successes going on.